I'm Dr. Tim Kosinski from Bingham Farms, Michigan. I love using my diode laser in my practice. I use it every single day for different applications. Not only uncovering my dental implants, but I use it for laser troughing around prepared teeth in lieu of retraction cord. Saves me a lot of time and energy. Can oftentimes do these procedures without any local anesthetic at all. I'll use it in our hygiene treatment for bacterial reduction. I'll use it to minimize or eliminate herpetic or aphthous ulcers. There's a lot of applications in dentistry using the diode laser. I'd like to see you come to one of my courses where we'll demonstrate a lot of clinical applications that will make you more proficient and efficient right away in your practices. So I hope to see you at one of my programs very, very soon. See you soon and be safe.